Hi all, welcome back to Subtech Online. Today I'm very happy to bring to you this opportunity that we have another dataset challenge that is from Data DNA, that is Onyx data. So we always have these challenges coming through from the same group. So every month we have a challenge. This month, July, the challenge has already started. The last day of submission is 23rd. So make your data speak. You'll go there, click on participate. You'll have a page like this, hotel bookings. And going forward, first of all, before you go further, what is the mission for these challenges? First of all, one, it will boost your data visualization capabilities. It will show your best practices on data-driven decisions making. Then also it puts you out there to enable your career opportunity growth. Then who can participate in such challenges? If you're a professional, even if you're non-professional in data analysis, or you're a student, you're welcome. Then the prizes given to the first and the runners up. There is a $300 Amazon voucher plus more. There are ebooks given to you freely. You're given access to some of the learning platforms for a month, I think a month or a quarter. Then all this will be done, and also you'll be uploading your entries to Neve Pro. That is a profile portfolio for all data analysts. They know it. Then the timelines here they are. We are starting 1st July up to 23rd. So 24th will be the closure. Then the judges will do the selections between 24th and 30th, and the award ceremony will be on 31st. So the criteria of selection, you have to make sure that you're good at visual designing, then analytical skills, how you indicate your insights and your calculations in your dashboards or reports. Then the way how you narrate this, your data storytelling techniques, highlighting out the problems and explaining solutions. Then the tech innovations, the interactivity you do with all the applications you're going to use. So here you can use Power BI, you can use Tableau, you can use ClickSense. A lot is outside there. You can go ahead and use any that is suitable for you. Even you can use Excel, but obviously there are already better platforms like Power BI and given to you freely. So please go ahead and engage into this competition. Then after that, you have done all your data analysis to that data set. You'll be completing this form, which will look like this. So go ahead and complete the form, fill in your details. You'll fill in here the post of that report you'll have posted. The guidelines are on Onyx page. Go and read through on how you can post your work. Then after that, you'll be available for the challenge and for the selection. Guys, let's do it. So as Subtech Online, we shall have sessions every week on how to break this down. For all those who need to participate, please, you can send me an inbox booking with me. We can schedule some time, at least every evenings we come together, crack this out. It is all about learning on some of the techniques. So everything is open. Go to my YouTube channel, leave me a comment, leave me your email address. I will schedule you in our practices we shall be doing on weekly. By 23rd, everyone should have posted their challenge or their work. Guys, make sure that you leave me a comment, subscribe to Subtech Online, and let's do this. Bye bye.